Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change color in Gimp. It's really simple and easy. You can do this with any object. The key is to isolate the object and then change the color. To do that, I will go and click on this fuzzy select tool, which will select the whole this white background. I want to have my this object selected, so I will go to select and click on invert. This will select my object. Now go to this edit and go for this copy. Go to layer, new layer, and in this drop down select transparency, then click on OK. Now you can hit paste and you can see folding selection over here. If I click anywhere around it, look, we have that layer. To do that, go to colors to change the color, and over here click colorize, and now you can easily change the color of these hands. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change color in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.